Once there lived a little girl by the name Daisy. She was a poor girl, and she had a teddy bear in her house. She loved the teddy bear very much. If someone took her teddy bear, she would shout out, "Chip." One day, she was in a shop for a little shopping. While she was shopping, a wolf came to her house looking for something to eat, but the wolf couldn't find anything to eat anywhere. Then, he saw a teddy bear sitting on the table. He bit the teddy bear and picked it up before leaving. A few minutes later, Daisy came to her house, but oh no, her house was open. She was afraid that her teddy bear might be missing. She searched everywhere for her teddy bear, but she couldn't find it. Then she saw some footsteps of the wolf and understood that the wolf had picked up her teddy bear. She was really angry at the wolf. And to take revenge, she picked up an axe and went to the wolf's house. At that time, the wolf was sleeping. She cut his tail and he started running in pain. He cried and said sorry to her. Then he gave her teddy bear back and she happily went home.